Hi everyone, I am Liana, the founder of Music Academy International, pianist, piano teacher, mentor and coach with over 30 years of experience in playing, performance and teaching. In today's video I'm going to talk a little bit about myself, about my struggle and my aha moment in becoming a great piano teacher. I grew up in Romania, trained to be a concert pianist. I started when I was 6 years old and I never stopped. This school was a little different than all the others. It was sponsored by the government and it was pretty tough. From the beginning, I was practicing from 30 minutes, from 6 years old, 30 minutes a day, to then 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So that allowed me when I was 12 to do my first concerto, piano concerto as a soloist, Haydn. I played with the orchestra. I came into the United States in 1999 with big dreams to perform and move the mountains and definitely achieve the American dream. Though it didn't happen in performance that much, nobody knew who I am here, so I started teaching right away. It was really hard. I did not speak English fluently, and the most important was that I didn't even know the scale, meaning C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, as I used to do it with Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, and not even the music vocabulary. I was terrified about everything in the United States. I didn't know how to drive, terrified on interstates. I didn't have friends and I didn't have family here, so it was a pretty challenging time for me. The first couple of years they were really challenging. Slowly I began having one by one students, one by one. The most important thing was I couldn't quite understand why they're not practicing, So everybody was doing like 10-15 minutes a day that I was not used to, So my expectations were way too high over there. So I started to get frustrated and talk with the parents. You need to practice this, you need to do this, please do that, and please do that, and pushing and pushing. But more pushing, actually I got more frustrated. I used to have my jaws, they're starting to really hurt me because I couldn't quite understand what is going on, considering when I'm coming from the expectation of me playing the piano, it was way high and the work was incredible a lot. The practicing, actually it did improve, but not in my eyes. Everybody actually, they were practicing accordingly to their expectation, as I said before. So it did improve slowly by slowly. I did get more students, but for me, the practicing, it was not anywhere to the level I wanted. After about a year of me being frustrated and trying to push for more practicing, one of the mom that I will never forget her because it gave me the most important phrase in my life at that moment in time, stopped me in the middle of it, and then she said, "Listen, Liana, you are a great pianist and you are a great teacher. We love you so much, but I don't want my child to be a concert pianist." And I froze. Yes, I froze, because finally it came in my mind that it's not your fault, it's my perspective. It's not you you're not doing the right thing, it's me, it's my perspective in everything. So at that moment in time was crucial for me. Everything changed and I started to become flexible. Tell me, what do you want to do with piano, and I will be your guide always. So you want to play a couple of songs and just have it as a hobby and we're just playing along and no music theory or anything like that, or you really want to be better or just to be okay, or you really want to be a concert pianist. I will be adapt according to your needs. Now my vow and my mission is to make everyone to love music as much as I do, and to appreciate music. And me, I gotta find the right tools for everybody to accomplish this, to accomplish their goals whatever goals they want to have. I taught during these years hundreds and hundreds of students, and I had a lot of accomplishments. We were doing beautiful recitals twice a year. I was doing competitions, and I have students from 6 years old, as I said before, to 78 years old. I have students that they just want to play for fun and nothing else. They just want to play a song here and there. I have students that they already graduated with a piano performance degree from universities. I have students that they graduated from music therapy, piano degree. I have students that right now they're getting ready to audition into the piano performance universities. So I have all range and all categories. I can be flexible and adaptable to any level, any age, and any desire. Music Academy International Inc., that I'm the founder of, it's a non-profit foundation that its goal is to financially help young talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. All proceeds go to this goal, and I'm very proud of doing this. Please connect us on the Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube channels, or maybe support us on our work in the Patreon website. $5 a month goes a really long way. Now I prepared this offer for you. It's the Christmas offer that I'm really proud. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. And let's do it together. Many blessings.